Hello, this is Gene. I'm back. I just got done unboxing my JFK gift set and put everything back. And I said, well, I'm waiting for some of the better games come in for the NCAA. I said, well, I'll do the second one as well. Um, this is on James Dean. And this is similar as the JFK one, 50,000, and I got almost the last one. I got like 49674, so I got one of the last ones, and this was another one I got like $30. Here's the back. There's a lot of stuff in this too, and they look like it's great stuff. So let's go ahead and open it up. You know, in this country or in film, we always say that somebody that dies are young, we kind of inflate them. You know, I think he only did 4 movies, and then he died. So people look back, and of course his movies are good, but, you know. But if this was like $800, I wouldn't have got it. But we'll see what it has here. You can see. Put it off to the side. This just looks similar to what I just did. So yes, it opens up the same way. And looks like it starts with the book. Let me take it out. Oh. A little sign up here too. Let you guys look at that because I can't see it, because I see backward, so I don't know what it's saying. If I get a part, even if it's for washing dishes, I'll get a dustpan and wash until my hands peel and know it backs. Okay. Basically, he's saying he was going to do anything. He's a method actor. This is on top. Always the lone wolf looking guy. So let's open it up. There he is. Very, wow. These are very thick pages too, which is nice. You know, I guess when you look like that, you have a chance that you could be a star. I mean, the guy had the looks, and obviously he's iconic. You know, more people made so much money out of him and his image. I just hope that I'm saying this as I'm showing you the stuff, but just hope that his family gets all the stuff from this, but somehow I doubt that they get as much as they should. You know, this was 50,000 that they billed of these. Anyway, there's a lot more in here. There's a nice one right there of them. And then you see it's him in the front, and then he's gone. And I don't know, there might have been something about that. But next one is, this looks like there's where the photos are going to be. That's how they normally set it up. So you open this here. Wow, these are big ones. Good God. That looks like Liz, doesn't it? Don't know. This, wow. If I was really into James Dean, I probably would have all these framed and put all over the room. And I might find a couple that I like and frame them in here. I mean, I have some people up. I've got Marilyn and Hepburn. through this pretty quickly. And what do we have here? Just some sort of communications here about level of cause. Still talking. You know, those of us who are into this stuff, I mean, if this was like Brando, I'd probably be really into it. A lot of memos. Back before we had email and texting. So I thought there might be something about when he died, maybe there was like some sort of... There's more here. I'm going to put these away. Think about where in here I can put a couple of these, because some of them are nice. And this is what comes with as well. Similar to the JFK one, but there's more than one. So I think that I probably will hang these up, frame them up. That's East of Eden. Another one looks like maybe 18 to 20. We'll have to... Of course, you're going to have a lot of... You only had 4 or 5. Look at the iconic image of him. There's only 3. Maybe there's only 3 he did. I could be wrong. Giant. And that's royalty right there. You look at it, Elizabeth Taylor, Rock Hudson, and James Dean. So, maybe I'll go ahead and sign or put this together. Okay, now it looks like we're going to go with the looking at the Blu-ray, but this is how it comes in, similar to the JFK one. You know, I'd like the JFK one a little bit more as far as how they did it, but this is fine too. And here is the Blu-ray. Let's open it up. Very nice. No, we never, in this culture, we never objectify men, ever. You know, looks like that's bare-chested. I don't think that women just went to the movies to see him because he's a great actor. So there's 7 Blu-rays, and since we have some time, I'll show you them. Actually, there's 3 DVDs and 4 Blu-rays. No, 4 DVDs and 3 Blu-rays. That's East of Eden. At East of Eden. And this is kind of cool, if I can get it out. If I can get it out. Don't break it. Sometimes I think with these packagings they just do this, but this is American Masters, James Dean. I think this is when he was interviewed before his untimely death. Probably his most famous, well, although I think they're all similar, is Rebel Without a Cause. This changed, and a lot of guys turned out to be like him. And there's a movement right now called MGTOW, Men Go Their Own Way, who probably would say that he's probably like an icon for them. So, and there's another DVD here. It says Forever Young. Isn't he one of those 27-year-old guys that died? Like Morrison and Amy Winehouse and Janet Joplin. They're all part of that. Of course, if you get into the whole Illuminati stuff, saying that he was sacrificed, but I don't want to go into that right now. So that's just some more crazy stuff. Now let me tell you this. As much as I like this, you could really, you have to like put stuff underneath it, and you could actually scratch it. So just be careful when you take it out. And there's Giant. Very nice artwork. If you look at the back, reminds me of Bates House. So, and then there's some special features on DVD for Giant. Wow, she's beautiful, isn't she? Beautiful woman. Gotta be careful here. I actually have to go underneath. This is not very... You know what? I'm going to take all these out so you can see how this looks. Because there's more stuff behind the discs. Should have just left them all out so you could see it. Anyway, we're almost there. Okay, there's one more DVD, and it's called George Stevens, A Filmmaker's Journey. And you can see there's the set from Giant. So here, kind of like when you get Steel Oaks, sometimes you'll see stuff like this. Where you see some prints from the movies that it was in. Very nice. And I'll show you the back side. He was a beautiful man. So, I mean, I guess you can say stuff like that and not worry about it. My son reminds me of him. Got the same type of facial stuff as him. So, maybe he'll be as successful. Of course, I don't want him to die when he's 26, so 27. Alright, that's basically it. I've got to put all this back. Like I said on the JFK one, if there's anything that you want me to unbox, I might have it here. At some point I may do a video that shows all my Blu-rays. That'll take probably over hours to show you, but it might be over like several different days. Or I'll just show you my sets or something like that, and that will still be a while. And then maybe I'll show you my actual setup here, my movie setup, you know, with my projector and all that stuff, and my audio stuff. But that's basically it. I'm going to say thank you for watching, and leave some comments so I can know that you guys are into this. Alright, you guys have a good day.